Hello everybody, this is Jim with Keheng Battery, and we are having 14 years of experience in this field. So today we'd like to introduce you our all-in-one wall mounting Powerwall. This is a 5 kilowatts Powerwall wall. It's easy as user level wall. You can just use it home. And on this side you probably see we are having the aviation plug. Well, it's very safe for your using. And well, the other side we are having here with different connections. You can see we have COM, we have CAM and RS485 for different connection methods. So where it's a little bit heavy, but it's pretty much user level. You can use it home, and if you have any questions, please contact us.